guys, and welcome back to Do It on a Dime. Boy, do I have a giant Dollar Tree haul for you today. The Dollar Tree hit it out of the park this year with their gnome decor. These are a brand new find I have been searching for so long. There are these giant gnomes with these little beanbag tushes. They are so adorable, and there's so many amazing accessories to go along with them. It's the most perfect theme for 2020, gnome for the holidays. They have these adorable little signs with a sparkly gnome, and they have tons of kitchen items. Some of my favorites this year were these cute little hand towels, and they also have oven mitts. This year, I also found these gorgeous wood containers. They have a square one and a round one, and these would be perfect for a little Christmas tree DIY if you wanted to give it a shot. And they do sell giant trees at Dollar Tree, but I didn't have one, so I just cut down this old witch's hat from Halloween, and I put some styrofoam inside the box. Then I cut down an old tree skirt, and I added it to the top to cover up the styrofoam and stuck in the base. I glued a star that I had sitting on hand to the top and wrapped a strand of pretty berry garlands around. This stands 25 inches tall, and you could leave as is, but I decided to add a strand of the copper Dollar Tree lights, and no one would have any idea you made this all from the dollar store. They have matching mugs too. They have the Let It Snow mugs and these little gnome ones, and they even have a truck one that I thought was really cute. But my personal favorite this year were the travel mugs. They have this adorable gnome one, they have a truck one, and they even have little mugs for your water. And oh my gosh, before I forget, a brand new product this year are these giant white bins. I think this would look so cute if you wanted to put some really fun gnome items inside and leave this on a friend or family member's porch. What an inexpensive and gorgeous gift idea. Come on up, come on up. I was blown away by this next find. I can't believe I haven't seen it yet. These gorgeous votive holders. They're kind of gilded a little bit on the outside. This looks remarkably similar to an item you could find at Pottery Barn. They are so high end. I couldn't believe I scored these. Another amazing item to keep your eye out for are these mini wreaths. I love putting these around candles, and you can get such a high-end Pottery Barn look for $1. I love the cookie tins the Dollar Tree sells. I've showed those in a recent video, but they also have these brand new little houses this year, which are so cute, and I think they make great decor too. And they come in two sizes. There's a bigger size, and then there is a smaller size. And they also have molds, so if you wanted to make your own little chocolate molds, this is the Penguin Lodge. I think these would be awesome to put inside as a gift idea. These are a brand new product, these solar lights. If you unscrew them on the inside, there's a little on-off switch. They charge in the sun. I've never seen these before. And if you don't have an outlet nearby outside, what an amazing way to string these onto a garland for instant high-end looking decor that also looks beautiful at night. Sometimes people ask me why I'm decorating so early this year. I mean, I think a lot of us are. We know the time is short. The secret to a beautiful look on your pillars is to use 3 garlands. I just attached to a nail at the top of my pillar, wrapped around, and then I used twisty ties to add on the ornaments. This entire look was just 21 bucks. Come on in, come on up, come on over. It's the friendliest time of year. The candy this year is so fabulous. They have these amazing name brand Rudolph chocolates. They have some that come in a box, and they also have some that come on these little lollipops. I think these are so much fun. In honor of Rudolph, I think I need to turn on my little earrings too. I also found these at Dollar Tree, and they have 3 different settings, so you can pick which one you want. They have Godiva chocolate bars, they have Russell Stover Santas, and they also have Ferrero Rocher. So you can find tons of awesome candy for your stocking stuffers on a really small budget. And our thing is we try to buy less candy and just more quality stuff, so it's not too much of a sugar high on Christmas morning. If you enjoyed this video, leave it a big thumbs up and a comment down below. That really helps me out a lot, and let me know your favorite thing that I picked up from this haul. If nobody has told you today, you are enough, and the misfit part of you is what makes you special, so don't lose it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Be sure to subscribe so I can see you there. Bye!
Shine on.
Did you eat his nose?